Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on and use live photos on TikTok. Yes, so if you want to actually try to turn on the live photo option on TikTok and also have to post live photos, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to reduce my volume. Okay. Open up your TikTok app, and once you open up your TikTok app, you have to go to your profile. Sorry about this. It's trying to, yep. Go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Click on that, and you're going to see settings and privacy. Scroll down till you see accessibility. Yes, right here. Click on accessibility. You have to scroll down to animated thumbnails. Click on that on, and once you toggle this on, you'll be able to use live photos on TikTok. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.